Onion juice for hair growth and hair fall control, real results in weeks. Struggling with hair fall or dandruff that just won't go away? This common kitchen ingredient might be your hair's best friend. I tried onion juice on my scalp, and the results were amazing. Today, I'll show you how to make it, why it works, and how it can stop hair fall, promote hair growth, and even fight scalp issues like dandruff, all naturally. Onion juice has long been used in Ayurvedic and natural medicine for hair health. It's rich in nutrients that nourish your hair from the root, strengthen follicles, and reduce breakage. But what really makes it so powerful is its sulfur content and antimicrobial properties. Sulfur is a major building block of keratin, the protein your hair is made of. Onion juice, rich in sulfur, boosts blood flow to the scalp, helps regenerate hair follicles, and strengthens hair shafts. This leads to thicker, stronger hair with less fall. Why red onion works best? Red onions are especially effective because they contain more sulfur and antioxidants than white or yellow onions. These antioxidants help fight free radical damage that weakens hair over time. How to make onion juice. Making onion juice is simple. 1. Peel and chop 1 to 2 red onions. 2. Blend them into a paste. 3. Strain the juice with a fine cloth or strainer. 4. Optional, add a few drops of rosemary or tea tree essential oil to reduce the smell and boost scalp benefits. Store in the fridge for up to 3 days. How to apply it. Apply the juice directly to your scalp, focusing on problem areas. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes and leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes. Then rinse with a mild shampoo. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Scalp health, dandruff and infection control. Here's something many people overlook. Onion juice is also antibacterial and antifungal. That means it can help fight scalp infections like dandruff, itchiness, and even fungal growth. By clearing out buildup and killing off harmful microbes, it keeps your scalp clean and balanced, creating the perfect environment for healthy hair to grow. What results to expect? With consistent use, many people see reduced hair fall within 2 weeks, and new growth starts becoming visible in 4 to 6 weeks. If dandruff was a problem, expect noticeable improvement even sooner. Tips and precautions. Always do a patch test to check for any irritation. If your skin is sensitive, dilute the juice with aloe vera gel or rose water. And remember, hair health also depends on what you eat and how well you manage stress.